worlds underwater, revealed, like runaway nuclear submarines. Down here, it's clearer to see there are several determined males, all in pursuit of just one female. This is an endurance race like no other. The largest eggs of any animal. This is where humpbacks really show their brutal side. It's been a titanic spectacle. This one is the most persistent will eventually get the girl, but by then they'll be miles away. And we've been as close as we've ever been to these battling giants. That was what we've been waiting for. Lost count of how many whales there were there. Maybe 6, and a female just being gunned down.